Hey, welcome to the Tired AF Yoga series. If you're feeling tired AF, I get it, and you're in the right place. Every day this month, I'm releasing a simple 10 to 15 minute practice to help you release tension, reset your nervous system, and remind your body what it's like to relax. You don't need much that's fancy. Sometimes it's nice to have a mat or something to sit on. Mostly you just need to show up for yourself and your breath. So if you're ready to really relax, silence your notifications on your phone, give yourself 15 minutes, you can do it. Put a calming oil into your diffuser, and let's help remind your body what it means to relax. In today's video, we're going to do back bends. We're going to do gentle back bends. Now, back bends can be stimulating, so we won't do anything too deep. But do know they help counter this forward hunched position, which is a very stressed position. So we're going to help open our hearts and expand across our chest with this practice. So if you're ready, let's relax together. So you don't need any special props for today. I would recommend having your socks off, so being in bare feet, and we're going to start off on all fours. So you're going to come into all fours, walk your hands out, walk your knees back a little. We're going to move into an extended child. So press your palms, reach your hips up, and take your chest and your forehead down toward the floor. And just release and breathe. Working on opening up through that chest a little bit, beginning to get a little bit of a back bend into the upper back. Come on up. Step your right foot up between your hands and release the hips forward. So we're starting to get that stretch through the front of the body. So you lift up. Adding to it, you're going to take your arms up and overhead. Keep those hips moving forward as you lift up. You're going to move into cactus. Draw your shoulder blades into your back so you're feeling a little back bendy here. And then release. Bring the arms down. You've got a couple choices here. You can take your hands to your hips and draw those elbows back. Or if you can, lace your fingers, draw the elbows back. And again, if you can, go further. You're going to extend the elbows. Feel that stretch across your chest. And then release. Take your hands down. Step your back foot up. So you're a little wider than hip width in your feet. We're going to move into ragdoll. Elbows to your knees, let your head release down. And let your back muscles begin to move up toward your head. Letting your shoulders move up. Your belly is resting on your thighs. If you feel like you can go further, you can take your hands down and just feel those muscles releasing as gravity takes over. Let your head release. Belly resting on the thighs. And if you want to go further, you can grab your elbows and the weight of your arms will pull your shoulder blades. Keep breathing. And then release. Bring your hands down. Step your right foot back, moving into the lunge series on the other side. You're going to drop your knee, release the hips forward, lift up. Feeling the stretch through the front of the body. And if you want to go further, you're going to bring those arms forward and up and overhead. Hips go forward as you bend the elbows. Squeeze those shoulder blades into your back. Moving into a little back bend here. Release the arms. Take them to the back of your waist or lace the fingers together or extend the elbows. Feel that squeeze between the shoulder blades, whatever position you are in. Breathe. And then release. Coming down, you're going to step the front foot back. Lower into grasshopper. You want your elbows to go straight back as you slowly come down and drop your chest between your thumbs. Release all the way down. So you're resting on the tops of your feet. We're going to move into Sphinx. Start by reaching through your legs back behind you. Make them nice and active. You're going to gently press down through the tops of the feet just a little, feeling that engagement in the base of your buttocks. You're going to slide your arms up and overhead. And I want you to keep those legs active as you slide your elbows halfway back. So they're halfway to having your elbows underneath your shoulders. Roll your shoulder blades back and down and lift that heart up. It is a working back bend here, right? You're supporting yourself so you can lift without working your biceps and triceps, but you have to really scoop that heart up in this pose. Then bring the elbows all the way back so they're underneath your shoulders. Roll those shoulders back and down. Lift your heart up. And breathe. And then release and come down. Rest your forehead on your left arm. Bend your right leg. And if you can reach back and grab onto the foot, go ahead. If you can't, see if you can grab a pant leg. And if you still can't, just bend the leg. But if you can grab the foot, you're going to draw the foot down in toward your hip. Gently press your hips down because that right hip will want to pop up. And breathe. And release. And change sides. So you're going to bend your left leg. Bring your left hand around. Grab on, gently press the heel toward the buttock. Pressing the left hip down. Breathe. And then release. We're going to do one more back bend. I want you to take your hands back by your hips. Now extend your legs again. You're going to press gently down on the tops of the feet. And you're going to lift your arms up. Move from the shoulder blades. And then lift your torso up. Tops of the feet are still pressing. We're just lifting the upper body just a little. Come on down. If you want to go further, you can lace your fingers together and draw your elbows together behind you. And if you again want to go further, you can extend your elbows. It's a pretty big stretch. And then one more time, come on up. If you can't do this, just leave your arms out to the side. And then release. All right. Bring your hands up underneath your forehead. Relax your heels out to the side. Rest your forehead on your hands. You can gently rock your hips side to side. Take some nice deep belly breaths. And then slowly press up onto all fours. We're going to move into a really gentle extended child. So pressing the palms, hips up toward the ceiling, forehead down. Breathe. And then coming up, you're going to separate your knees, toes touch. Have a seat back on your feet as you slide your hands out. So an even gentler extended child's. Breathing into your belly. And then come on up and move into full child. And if your knees are done, they don't want to be bent again, then move to your back and just bring your knees into your chest. If you're here, draw your belly in and round and come all the way down into your child's pose. And just let everything relax. Letting your shoulders release down toward the floor. Feeling your breath in your back body. Letting go. And then slowly come on up. Move to sitting. Just sit comfortably. Take a breath. Feel your body and mind. Pretty good, isn't it? Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so you don't miss any of the Tired AF Yoga series. And I would love to hear from you. Comment below if you enjoyed this one in particular. If you want even more from this series, then definitely hop on the mailing list. It's down below. You get a daily email with lots of tips and tricks. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow.